Traditional Do Not Disturb has been the go-to solution for managing notifications on smartphones. It works as a simple on-off toggle that blocks all notifications when activated. When you turn on Do Not Disturb, it blocks everything. All app notifications, calls, and messages are silenced. It's an all-or-nothing approach. Focus modes represent a major evolution in notification management. Instead of a simple on-off switch, focus modes provide a sophisticated system with multiple customized profiles. Each focus mode can be customized to allow specific apps and contacts while blocking others. This gives you granular control over your notifications. Let's look at how this appears on your iPhone. The focus settings show you can access multiple modes from Control Center and customize each one individually. As of 2025, you can create unlimited custom focus modes beyond the default options. Each mode can have different notification settings, home screen layouts, and automation triggers. The key advantage of focus modes is contextual awareness. Unlike traditional Do Not Disturb, focus modes can automatically adapt based on your time, location, and current activity, making them truly intelligent. This evolution from simple Do Not Disturb to intelligent focus modes represents a fundamental shift in how we manage our digital attention and maintain focus in our daily lives. Setting up focus modes starts with accessing them through your iPhone settings. You can reach focus modes in two ways, through the Settings app or via Control Center. Alternatively, you can quickly access focus modes through Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner and tapping the Focus button. To create a custom focus mode, tap the plus button to add a new focus. You can name your focus mode, choose an icon and color, then configure how it behaves. The key to effective focus modes is configuring which notifications you want to receive. You can choose to silence notifications completely, allow them only from specific people and apps, or set exceptions for time-sensitive alerts. Focus modes become truly powerful when you set up automation. You can configure them to activate automatically based on time schedules, your location, or when you open specific apps. Finally, you can customize how your iPhone looks and behaves during each focus mode. This includes dimming the lock screen, hiding notification badges, and even showing different home screen layouts with specific widgets and apps. Focus modes give you complete control over your iPhone's notifications and appearance. By setting up custom modes with proper automation and permissions, you can create distraction-free environments tailored to different activities and times of day.